Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to read the book Hello Autumn. And autumn is just another word for fall. So let's find out what happens in fall. It says summer is ending, autumn is coming. The last flowers bloom, the sunflowers hang their heavy heads, insects sing their goodbye song, and the swallows swoop. So swallows is just another kind of bird. Changes in the air. It feels cool and crisp. The days get shorter and the shadows get longer. Trees and plants spread their seeds and new ones can grow in the spring. Milkweed seeds dance in the wind and acorns and pine cones scatter on the forest floor. Maple seeds twirl to the ground. Autumn is here. Yellow, gold, red, and orange leaves. They fly and fall to the ground. Have you seen leaves like this in your neighborhood? I know when I take walks, I've seen lots of different colors all on the ground. We gather bouquets of beautiful leaves and rake and jump in colorful piles. And cold temperatures at night bring frost in the morning. So frost just means sometimes it's so cold in the morning it almost looks like snow or little tiny icicles on the ground. Animals get ready for the cold days ahead. The squirrels collect and store nuts and build cozy nests, and owls find shelter in hollow trees. Some animals migrate. That means they find some place warm so they can find food and be healthy. So you can see that's usually birds and lots of different insects and maybe even some fish or some whales. Other animals get ready to go into a deep sleep until springtime. The bees will store extra honey in their hives, bats and bears find caves, and some frogs will sleep in the muddy ponds. People are getting ready for winter too. We harvest the last crops, carrots, pumpkins, squash, and apples. So harvest means when you pick all of them and then you eat them all. Cranberries float and turn red, and corn stalks turn golden. Many people will preserve food to eat through the winter. We put our gardens to bed with covers of leaves. So this is what it means to preserve right here. It just means you might store your food in a can and keep it inside where you can eat it all winter long. Autumn is a time to celebrate Halloween and Thanksgiving. We give thanks for the bounty of food from our earth. The trees have lost their leaves and they're bare, so that means they're empty. The soil is cold, the ground is hard. The days are getting shorter and shorter. And then it's the shortest day of the year and winter is here. So what it means that the days are getting shorter, it just means that the sun goes down earlier and earlier. So you might be noticing that it gets to be dark really early, maybe even after dinner time. Bye, boys and girls.